Where are you going? Hi, come here. Come see me, Mr. Snowsuit Man. Get over here, Mr. Snowsuit Man. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Oh, you got your bottle, too. Okay, let's go. Whoa. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, good. Is that your bottle? Good job. Good walking. Oh, I know it's hard with the snowsuit on.
Look at you go. You are so balanced now.
All right.